Hello everybody, welcome back to Frank's Model Farms. Doing another video today. I hope you like the stop motion I did the other day of feeding the cows. I'm hoping to do some more. But for a start today, farmers just going and checking on the sheep. We got the dog on the back, going checking on those sheep. The cows still haven't come in. They need to come in the next day or two. Now we've got in here, we've had some sawdust tipped for bedding the cows up in the winter. I was going to do a video on it yesterday and I'd videoed, but it was really dark because I didn't have time to do it in the daylight and I didn't want to put a bad video up, so yeah. I'm sorry for not having a video yesterday. Otherwise, in this shed we've got the T6, the Ford 6600, muck spreader roller, the Land Rover's in the back. We'll have a look at that from the other side. Goats, sheep handling unit, nothing happening. Then in there we've got silage bales, Land Rover Defender here, T6, sorry it's a bit dark in there. Cattle crush, yep. Here, I'll just lift this off. Clash Roland, McHale bale wrapper. You can see a bit better now. Cows still aren't in, like I say, next episode hopefully. But yeah, please tell me what you think of the stop motion, and we're maybe thinking about getting another field or something to go here. Please tell me if you think that'd be a good thing to do, or what else you think we could improve, or whatever on the farm, or whatever, maybe what I could buy to improve it. Some ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment. Whether it's a good or a bad comment, please leave and say what you think. Right, so thank you very much for watching. Bye.